Okay, Watch Your Lip fans, I'm here with my buddy Josh. You ready to go, bud?
Yeah, let's go.
In this video, Josh is going to fish and catch big fish all on his own. I'm just going to instruct him on how to do it. Guys, we are in the freshwater canal, South Florida. We've got some live shiners, and we are going to try and catch, I don't know what we're going to catch. Peacock bass, largemouth bass, we have snakeheads, we have snook, we have tarpon, and Josh is going to set everything up on his own, and we're going to slow troll some live shiners. So, Josh, are you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to set up your rod all on your own?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay, good, let's do it. There's a place here in Margate, a fairly new bait and tackle shop. It's called R&B Bait and Tackle. We'll get some shiners from them, we'll get some frogs, and Josh and I are gonna go try and get tight. You wanna get tight?
Yeah.
Let's do it, baby. Let's go. Okay, R&B Bait and Tackle, guys, let's check this out.
You said they're open.
They look like they're open. Yeah, I think so. If you wanna get your hair done, there's a hair.
It says
Nails. Okay, yeah. Let's go, bud. These are all like kind of frogs for catching snakehead.
but this is not a frog.
Huh? Well, I don't know.
You see? It's the same thing. It looks like an alien head.
Oh, more frogs, more frogs, more frogs. How much are these? Hollow body. Oh, these are $10.99.
Well, oh, this is a spider? That's cool.
$7.99 is better than $10.99. Here, let's get a couple of these body yaw.
Did we get a spider?
Nah. Nah, we're gonna do frogums. We'll try some different frogums. We'll get one. We'll get a smaller one too, just in case. Huh? Yep. Ready to go?
Sir, if you want, you can check it out right now.
Sweet. All right. Oh, there's a pretty decent size too, bud. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. What do you think, Josh?
Hey, they're cool.
They're pretty cool. What do you think? Which one of them is going to catch you, the big guy?
Hey, I think that one right there.
That one right there? All right, so what's this called here? This is a bait pump, air pump, water resistant.
Aerator right there.
Tsunami, by Tsunami. All right, so this is a bucket. We're going to get a couple dozen shiners. We got shiners here?
Yes, sir. We got
Yeah?
yellow and regular.
R&B Bait and Tackle. This is our new neighborhood bait and tackle shop, right, Josh?
Yep.
You ready? He's going to try and catch his first peacock bass today. What do you think?
Guarantee he'll catch
Wait,
it.
is that?
Guaranteed. Yeah, that one right there, man. Look at that.
All right.
Bam. Does that sound exciting?
Yep.
That's a pretty big one. I mean, if we got one that big, that would be fun. But
Yeah. Those
hey.
are like the size of the tarpons like that we found.
we did feed tarpon like that, didn't we? Okay. All right. Let's get a couple dozen shiners in, bud.
Yes, sir. How many you looking at?
Let's get 2 dozen.
2 dozen?
I think we should be able to do enough damage with 2 dozen. What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it. We're going to get those. We ready to go?
I got them.
We're going to get a couple frogs as well. All right, guys, check out R&B Bait and Tackle. And what's in Margate, right?
Yes, sir.
Margate. Josh, let's go catch some fish, bud. Okay, first step is first. We've got a small reel. It's got 20-pound braided line on it. No, you can put that one back. We're going to use this one first. Okay. We are using a number, I think this is a 1.0 offset Mutu light circle hook. This one I think is Tsunami. And we've got a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, probably about 2.5, 3 foot. We've got it spliced onto our 20-pound braided line. You don't need that much, but that heavy of a line, you can fish lighter. But because there's actually some snook and tarpon in here, we're gonna fish 20-pound braided line, small reel. It's a 3,000 size Shimano Stratic, and it's linked in our, if you wanna buy this reel, it's linked in our description. So now we're gonna fish. So Josh, here's what I want you to do, buddy. I want you to put your hand in there and grab yourself a shiner, your very first shiner. Just grab one. Don't squeeze too hard.
Yeah, I know.
Try and grab one.
They're kind of fast.
They are fast. Okay, good. Now close them. Oh, it's okay. Now grab them with your left hand.
Left hand?
Yep. You try and be fast. Don't press too hard. Okay, good. Now, what I want you to do with your right hand, I want you to go with the point of the hook.
Yeah.
I want you to go in his mouth and out through the top of through one of his nostrils. Okay, that's how we hook a shiner. There you go, just like that. Push it through. Push it through.
Yeah.
Yep. Get all the way up through. Let's see. Yep. Pretty much. Yeah, you got it. Good job, dude. All right, so we get him in the water as fast as we can. Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the boat situated and we're gonna start trolling. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna start steering, Josh. And once we get going, yeah, keep your fish in the water. Keep your fish in the water because they die really easy. Okay, now what I want you to do is once you make your way towards the back of the boat, yeah, just walk them to the back of the boat here. Keep your fish in the water. Okay. All right. Wow, that's wind. Oh wow. Ooh, it's windy. Let me think. All right, Josh. Now that we're moving, I need you to open up your bail on your reel and just let line out. Open up your bail.
Yeah.
Okay. Let them in the water and let line out. Okay. Just let them a little more line out.
Oh.
You can pull the line out with your hand. Yeah, just like that. Good.
Okay, now.
Good. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. All right.
Close it.
All right. Close your bail. Now, I want you to test your drag. So, all right, Josh. Now what you're going to do is you're going to test your drag. So with this hand, I want you to pull line out. Just grab it and pull it out. Pull it out until, grab it tight and pull it out. Your drag's a little too tight. So what I want you to do is this top knob here, twist it the other way. Yep, like that. Okay, now pull line out. Is it easier or harder?
It's not going.
Let me see. Hold it tight. All right. Twist it this way,
This
like
way?
that. Yep. Keep going. Okay, good.
Yep.
Now pull line out. A little bit easier. Here, let me help you a little bit. Now a little too loose. Oop. Okay. So what you want it to be able to come out, but not too easy because the fish does need to get tired eventually. But if it's too tight, it'll break. So now that your line is nice and tight, I want you to put your rod right in the rod holder back there. Nope. Next one. Yep. Actually, the back one. The back one's the best one. Right there. Yep. Good. All right, now we'll get our other line out.
Now what do you do?
Now you wait until that sucker slams, dude. All right, now that we're set up and we're trolling, I've got a present for you, Josh. Check this out. This is a watch your lip buff with tarpon scales on it. You know what you do with this? You put it on around your head, around your neck, so that you don't get sunburn on your neck. Here, put it on. Take your hat off. There we go. Yeah, put it on just like that. Yep. Put the whole thing down, all the way down over your neck.
Like this?
No, all the way down. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Your mom will be very happy that we're taking care of your, making sure you don't get sunburned.
What do I do?
Keep going all the way down.
Oh, it's
Pull it all the way down.
okay.
Like this, watch. Boom. All right. Now you put your hat on. So you're not going to get sunburn on your neck. And you're also supporting watch your lip. You look sharp, buddy. Pick that up, Josh. All right, good. Let me reel this in. All right, pull it up over the top. Pull it up over the top, like this, right here. Okay, now reel. Just nice and slowly reel. Oh, it's a tarpon. Tarpon for Josh. Okay, let me anchor. All right, easy. Easy, 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 easy. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, got him. We got him. Holy cow. Tarpon for Josh, dude. Here, pick it up over those rod tips. Bring it over here. Dude. Josh, you caught a tarpon all on your own, bro. I didn't even help you. That's a tarpon. Congratulations on your first tarpon all by yourself. All right, we're gonna let him go. Ready? Come on. Let's get him in here. Oh, okay. Josh, dude, congrats, man. That's freaking awesome, bro. That is a win. That we came out here, I didn't even touch the rod. You did everything on your own. You got the shiner on by yourself. You put it out by yourself. You picked it up, you reeled them in by yourself. Now it's time to do it all over again. Sound good? Good, let's do it again. Before we start fishing again, I want to interview you from the bottom of your heart. Like, what's it feel like to catch a fish like that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Come here, come closer.
I never really holded one like that.
You held them all by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Well, any other thoughts? You want to get another one?
For remembrance, I'm going to give the tarpon a penny.
Oh, jeez. Good luck. Good job, buddy. All right, let's get another fish. All right, so Josh, you protecting yourself from the sun? You protecting yourself from the sun? Yeah? You can talk through it.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Your mom will be happy. Come on, fish. Let's hit. Come on, fish. Where are they at?